Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Snibe Diagnostics Maglumi beta 2 microglobulin chemiluminescent immunoanalyzer. So as you can see, this is the top view and this is the front view of the kit. And you can see, this is the Maglumi beta 2 microglobulin chemiluminescent immunoanalyzer kit. So as you can see, it contains the magnetic microbeads, the calibration low, the calibration high, FITC label, ABEI label, the diluent, the control 1 and the control 2. You can see the reference number here, 130254001M, and you can see the expiry date also. You can see this is a 100 test pack and it needs to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. So that's the reason why it is placed in a cool pack, and it's a C certified IVD product. So let me show you this. So this is the other side of the kit, and so this is the other side of the kit. This is the Maglumi B2 microglobulin, reference number 130254001M. See all these details over here, and this is the bottom of it. So guys, let me open this for you. So as you can see, first we do have the reagents for the thing. So you can see this is the beta microglobulin control 1, and this is the, let me open this for you. Let me open this. So as you can see, this is the Maglumi beta microglobulin control 2, and this I presume this would be the Maglumi beta microglobulin control 1. So then let me open this. Yeah. Yes. There are a couple of reagents, but let me show you later. Let me keep this here, and yeah, this is the Maglumi microglobulin with all these reagents. You can see it contains the magnetic microbeads, the calibration low, the calibration high, the FITC label, the AEI label, the diluent. Okay, everything is present. As you can see, this is the pack. It's nicely packed, so let me keep this here. I'll keep it here. Then there are a couple of pamphlets which are present inside, so let me take them. We have the pack insert, the IFE brochure for it. You can see this is the Maglumi beta HCG. You can see the reference number here. This is a 100 test packs. You can 13025411001M. You can see it's here. It's all these details. So these are the details for the brochure. And this is the other side of the brochure. So guys, this is the brochure for the Maglumi. So let me keep this here. And then we have a Then we have the certification, the product certification of inspection. Let me keep this here. Then we have the stickering label for the Maglumi. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of the Maglumi beta microglobulin CLIA test kit. So it comes with the box, the control 1 and the control 2, the manual, the IFE brochure. Then we have the inspection certificate. Then we have the ABIL label kit. Then we have the FITC label kit. Then we have the cartridge which the sample goes in. So this together makes the beta 2 microglobulin test kit. Thank you.